Data security is of major importance to all organisations, and your accounts data is especially sensitive. You can use the access rights option in Sage Accounts to control who can access your accounts, and also to determine the areas and options within the software that each user has access to. To work with the access rights option, you must be logged into Sage Accounts as manager. You can then open the settings menu and choose access rights. To create a new user, click New. You'll then be prompted to enter a username and a password. If you simply want to create a new user and give them access to all of the options in the software, ensure that full access is selected and then click OK. However, if you want to limit the user's access, you must decide whether to give them full access and then remove access to the options that you don't want them to have, or to give them no access and then add the areas that they need access to. It's really just a case of which option is the quickest. The main area of the access rights window lists the areas of the software, and a plus sign to the left indicates that you can expand the area. For example, if you expand customers, it lists the options that are available within the customers module. To amend the access levels, you simply leave ticks against each option that you want the user to have access to, and clear the checkbox if you don't want them to have access to it. You can do this for full ledgers or for individual options. If we collapse the customers option and then clear the bank accounts checkbox, you'll see that the access level to customers and suppliers changes from full to partial. This is because some of the bank options are also common to the other ledgers. To demonstrate this, we'll expand customers. You'll see that access to the customer receipts option and also the refunds option are set to none. As the options are common to both ledgers, bank accounts and customers, and you don't want to give them access to any of the bank accounts options, the options within customers that are linked are also removed. Once you've worked through the access rights and set your access levels, click OK. You'll then return to the user access rights window, and the new username appears on the list. As you can see, it's really simple. If you're unsure about the access rights you've set, a good tip is to log in as the user and check what access they have. If you then need to make any further amends, just log back in as manager to make the required changes. You can amend each user's access levels at any time, as well as adding new users or deleting existing ones, but remember, you must be logged in as manager to do this. If a number of users require the same profile, rather than manually amending the access levels each time, you can create a new user by highlighting the original user and then clicking Copy. This duplicates the profile, and all you need to do is enter a new username, a password, and to click OK. This ensures that the users have identical access and saves you time.